I gotta be honest with you guys and tell you that I find that these original mirrors, these 67 Nova mirrors, are really just crap. You basically just have like a pinch screw that kind of just comes forward and puts pressure and clamps it in place. And as a result, it makes it terribly easy to just sit here and move the, the mirror around. And if you got a big shaking cam in your car like I do, the damn mirror, as you're sitting there looking at it, is just constantly sitting there doing that the entire time because the mount is garbage and the cam is making it worse. I think I have figured out the correct way to handle this. So you can see here how it mounts on the inside, and in my opinion, this was just absolute crap from day one from General Motors in 1967, and should have never been done to begin with. To solve this problem, I have used my riv nut tool here to install that, which is a riv nut into the car. So it's basically just a little threaded insert. That one right there was a factory mounting hole. I had to drill that hole. And now my finished product is a 1970 Ford Bronco mirror that is mounted to the car. Those are number 10 by 32 stainless steel screws that hold it to the car. And you know, the 67 Nova is really a very boxy style car, so frankly, I feel like the square mirrors actually fit the car. That, you know, this car has so many just square straight body lines, I feel like it fits it quite well. There you go, guys. That's how I recommend getting rid of this original 67 Nova bullcrap, and just get yourself some 70 Bronco mirrors, use some riv nuts, mount them right to the car. That is way better in my opinion. We'll do a little shake test here, kind of grab it here, jiggle it. It doesn't jiggle near as much as the other mirror. Follow along, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take care.